So I took a detour this weekend from working on interior projects to help my husband out with removing all the rocks from the beds that we currently have. So we're planning to basically remulch all this, but wanted to do the tedious task of getting rid of the rocks first. We figured there was some value in just having some, I guess, a nice plain bed to start off with before mulching. And so to anybody who intends to remove rocks, definitely be mentally prepared because it's not an easy task. It's a lot of work to do. It's very frustrating. But some things that we did or that we used to kind of help us with the process was basically raking and shoveling. So that would be the best way to go about doing that. So my husband did most of the work, honestly. I just really helped this weekend. But the goal is once we've cleaned all this, have basically done a little bit more weeding. We did take out the bushes, I don't know if you remember, but took out some bushes from back here. But once we're done with weeding, then we'll go ahead and put, I think it's called pre-emergent, to kind of help with reducing any of the weeds from coming back in the future. We'll just keep on walking around the backyard here. We'll also eventually get rid of all that back there, but that's a project for another day. But we'll take out all the weeds, and then we'll plan to use a pre-emergent and then set down the mulch. So we're getting close. A lot of these plants we'll have to figure out, what works in sunny/shady areas because it's a very huge mix around the house. But yeah, again, if you're planning to remove rocks, be mentally prepared.